So this is the question number 1 from 2023 midterm morning session paper, and this question comes under the topic class 11th Python revision. So in this particular question, a statement has been given to you and it has been asked whether this particular statement is true or false. So in order to answer this one, first of all we need to read the statement carefully, and then we need to divide the statement into the parts, and then we need to check each and every part whether that particular part is correct or not. Okay, so let's read this statement carefully first. Then the first part is a dictionary is an unordered set of elements. So this statement is little bit ambiguous. Why ambiguous? Because after Python 3.7, dictionary is an ordered element. After Python 3.7, dictionary has been made ordered data structure. Okay, so this is little bit ambiguous because यहाँ पे क्या अगर स्टेटमेंट के अंदर ना तो आपको पाइथन वर्जन मेंशन किया गया है, hence बिफोर अगर 3.7 होता वर्जन तो उस केस में डिक्शनरी क्या होती है आपकी अनऑर्डर्ड सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट्स होती, बट आफ्टर 3.7 इट बिकम्स ऑर्डर्ड सेट ऑफ एलिमेंट. नाउ द नेक्स्ट, लेट्स सी द नेक्स्ट, which is immutable in nature. This one is incorrect. Why? Because dictionary क्या है आपकी mutable है nature में. Now let's see the next part then. As its keys in key value pair cannot be changed. This portion is correct. Why? Because keys क्या है आपकी? Keys आपकी immutable हैं. Since keys are immutable, then that's why keys cannot be changed in a key value pair. बट अगर हम कलेक्टिवली देखें इस स्टेटमेंट को, तो स्टेटमेंट क्या है आपकी फॉल्स है. वाई फॉल्स? बिकॉज डिक्शनरी क्या है आपकी म्यूटेबल इन नेचर. वेदर क्या गिवन है आपको? इट इज इम्यूटेबल इन नेचर. Hence, for this one, false would be the right answer. Now, based on the similar concept, we have a practice question for you. You need to tell in the comment box whether this statement is true or false. Okay, guys, then that's it for the day. If you have any doubt regarding this one, feel free to ask in the comment box. Okay, then, thanks for your time.